Cut! What are the four people peeking out? I'm uppercase Q, and this is uppercase J, uppercase B, and uppercase H. But we need more Q's help us. Wow, we need more Q's help us. Anyways, take 33.
Finally, it's just like 3 months ago that I used in Sprunky OC. Wait. Is Q canceling the tvokids logo bloopers? Oh my god. Q is so fired for this. I have to enter the logo studio mall. There it is. Come here, Hisira.
What do you want? He did what? Oh my god. He is so gonna regret for this. Let's enter the studio already.
Agreed.
Cut! Why is Clukr doing here? Oh, I'm just Wanda's replacement because Wanda is watching and I'm in insanity right now.
I like the show.
It's okay. After Wanda comes back, we'll do take 34. Cut! What does the sign says almost the end? Because it's almost the end of the movie. Wow, I know it's almost the end. Okay, take 35 should be ending of the Blooperganza. Guess what, guys? It's the end!
Hooray! It's the end!
Yeah, and I guess it's time that we'll have. Oh no, it's Aqua and Hashira from Spunky!
Q, how dare you cancel the movie of tvokids logo bloopers?
But Aqua and Hashira quarter changed just not making the sixth movie from some takes because it's shame last time.
I don't care. You're fired. We're gonna be the SFX adjusters. Go home now.
Fine, come on uppercase Q, let's go! Well, this is unavailable, and also uppercase Q got returned now.
So, what do we do now?
Well, maybe we should do the second Blooperganza of the movie and pick the new director, I guess.
That's a good idea. Which one do you have to pick, D?
I don't know, but how about the viewers pick?
Okay.
Viewers, vote in the comments who should be the new director. The voting ending if the movie 2 has been released sometime. See you in the TVO Kids logo Blooperganza 2! It should be waiting for hours.